After the building design is completed, all the data is automatically transferred to the production line. The process begins with the fabrication of steel profiles. Each profile is marked to eliminate the risk of errors during assembly. Next, the profiles move to the assembly table, where the frame is constructed according to the schematic and secured using rivets or self-tapping screws. Once the frame is assembled, it is transferred to the sheathing station, where sheet material is applied, such as cement-bonded particle board, drywall, or another material available locally. A robotic system then fastens the sheets to the frame with screws, following a precise automated program. The panel is then flipped and moved to the next station. Where all electrical wiring, fasteners, and plumbing components are installed according to the project plan. Once everything is in place, the top layer of sheet material is added. Again, a robot fastens the sheets to the frame with screws, ensuring precision and consistency. With the assembly complete, the panel is placed on a mobile cart, raised into a vertical position, and sent along a programmed conveyor path. This conveyor delivers the panel to the foamed concrete filling station. The filling is done under human supervision, while the concrete mix itself is prepared by an automated system that ensures high quality and consistent parameters. Once filled, the panel is transferred to another mobile cart, which moves it to the curing station. Depending on the material quality, the foamed concrete cures over a period of 6 to 12 hours. After curing, the panel is transferred once more, this time to the preparation station before delivery. Here, finishing work is performed, minor surface defects are smoothed, and surfaces are prepped for final treatment. Windows and doors are installed according to the project documentation. Protective coatings are applied, connection points are checked, and all required fasteners are mounted. Once all work is complete, the panel is moved to the loading zone. Before shipping, each panel undergoes a final quality check, is labeled, and placed into transport cassettes, which ensures their safety and simplifies on-site installation. Packaging and loading are carried out strictly according to the project plan, making on-site assembly faster and more accurate. Using this production line ensures high speed, consistent quality, and reduced on-site costs. Automation, process integration, and strict quality control at every stage make it the ideal solution for large-scale panel manufacturing.